is one of a kind aircraft. What an entrance. Watch closely now as Sean in his signature figure, we call this one the centrifuge. He's pulling 8 G's, coming to 180 miles an hour.
Jeez, holy crap.
Another quick pull of vertical straight into outside snappers into a front float. Let's watch. Here it is. Tumbling out of that maneuver. Yeah, you're looking at that plane right. That's an inverted recovery. So there's a lot of confidence in there. And into another quick pull vertical to demonstrate what we call the loop. This is going to be an inside loop with the cherry on top. Over 6 negative G's trying to throw a shot out of that cockpit. This guy. Let me tell you about this bike. Carries serial number 1. Not unexpected to the plane. Weighing nearly 1,255 pounds. Yet still using high performance aerobatic biplane. Team 16. This is one of the challenges for a quick This one's called the double hammerhead. Coming to 0 forward airspeed, losing his controls, but that's a hard left rudder. That's 1, and that's 2 consecutive hammerhead turnarounds. Action it again, certainly earth in the face, and he rises, pulling ATs right now, having some fun doing it. This one's called the Raptor. Now, I know what you're thinking. How does this guy handle this pressure? Well, he's in top physical condition. He exercises 6 days a week. He's summited 4 of the highest mountains in the world, but he still calls himself a beginning mountaineer. He's in great shape. He's absolutely he can't beat this guy in competition. Now, what do you say we go live into the cockpit right now and see what Sean's doing? Hey, Sean, is that an inverted flat frisbee turn? stick, time loop, demonstrating what the orbital shot after three's capabilities are. With the expertise, one of the greatest aviators, Sean Hunter. He's on his way to air show, that's our indication. He now has approved the show line as obstruction-free, and he will now attempt to slice all three ribbons in one single pass at three separate flight attitudes. This is the moment, ladies and gentlemen. Get your cameras ready. Okay, here he goes. Locking in his sights, all three ribbons. Now zeroing in on that first ribbon. Getting his wheels to about 18 feet off the ground. Going 250 miles an hour. He's around 90. It's in the left 90. Number 2, number 1. Check it out. He's pushing his limits. He's pushing his limits. He's living with possibility. So Woo! Woo! So miniatures, and software engineers working together. Orbital accelerates digital transformation for customers while delivering extreme performance at the lowest cost. Complete business and technology solutions in the cloud or in your data center only from Oracle. The show goes into the slide salute to Dayton and the United Pilots. Let's go live into the cockpit. Sean, that's amazing! Sean is a former winner of the U.S. National Advanced Aerobatic Championship. In addition, Sean's the first to win the Bill Barber Award for air showmanship, the Air Show Award and Showmanship Award. In the same year, 2005, Sean was honored by the National Air and Space Museum as being one of the 25 living legends of aviation. And in 2008, Place of Aviation, he was inducted into the National Aviation Hall of Fame. All right, folks, Sean's going to tighten his seatbelts. Take a breath, because he's got one more maneuver up his sleeves for you this afternoon. This one's called the Air Pass of the U.S. Marine Corps. He's going to try to bring his mind to a level which is a challenge in such a windy day like today. Let's watch. Okay, here he goes. Bringing his plane forward. 10,000 hour forward, 5,000 hour to 0 forward speed. Working his runners beautifully demonstrated for you why he's considered to be one of the best of all time, using just 70% of his horsepower. Ladies and gentlemen, one final round of applause for Sean Tucker. Woo! And as Sean says goodbye, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you on behalf of all of Team Oracle. This year's show will perform more than 14 events across North America for more than 8 million air show fans. Get the schedule at teamoracle.com or it's on Facebook. Keep in mind his first name. Also on Instagram, Twitter, username's Team Oracle. Check this out, and be sure to watch Sailing Take Flight this weekend, 35th America's Cup. Share on Oracle Team USA. For details, follow Oracle Team USA on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Well, Dayton, thank you for flying with us. Rob, back to you. Danny, back to you. What do you guys think of that?
We love